Hello and welcome back. Have you ever wondered how big projects like skyscrapers, highways, or even mega factories manage their costs so precisely? Or how do teams ensure that they don't overspend or run out of budget halfway through a project? Well, that's where cost engineering comes into play. In this video, we're diving deep into cost engineering, what it is, why it's essential, and how it's applied in real world projects. Whether you're an aspiring engineer, a project manager, or just curious about the science behind budgeting big projects, you're in the right place. So grab your notepad and let's get started. First of all, what is cost engineering? Cost engineering is the art and science of managing projects' finances. It's about estimating costs, controlling them, and making sure the project stays on track. Think of it as the backbone of project management. Without cost engineering, even the most well planned projects can spiral into chaos. Missed deadlines, skyrocketing budgets, and unhappy stakeholders. Number two, why is cost engineering important? Imagine you're building a bridge. You've got a set budget and a timeline. Now, every decision, choosing materials, hiring contractors, scheduling tasks, affect that budget. Without cost engineering, there's no way to track how these decisions impact your bottom line. It ensures you get the best value while meeting quality standards and deadlines. That's why industries like construction, manufacturing, and even oil and gas swear by it. Number three, key concepts in cost engineering. First, we have the cost estimation. Let's talk numbers. Cost estimation is where it all begins. There are three main methods to estimate costs for a project. Number one is the parametric estimation. Think of it as using historical data. For example, if it cost 1,000 US dollars to build 1 meter of road last year, you estimate 1,000 US dollars per meter this year. The second method is bottom up estimation. This is super detailed. You estimate costs for every small task and part of your project and add them up to have the total cost and budget for your project. The last method is the analogous estimation. Here, you compare your project to a similar past project. For example, a 3-story building costed you $100,000, so you're going to do the same estimation for your 3-story building. Each of these methods have its pros and cons, but the goal is the same: get as close to reality as possible. The next term is cost control. Once the project starts, cost control kicks in. This is about keeping everything on track, monitoring expenses, and avoiding surprises. Tools like earned value management help track progress against the budget. The third term is life cycle costing. This one is fascinating. It looks at the entire lifespan of a project from planning to demolition. For instance, buying cheaper materials might save you money now, but cost more in maintenance down the line. Life cycle costing helps balance these trade-offs. Number four, the tools and techniques we use in cost engineering. Cost engineers use some incredible tools to stay on top of things. Number one, Primavera and Microsoft Project. These are great tools for scheduling and budgeting. For some quick tracking, good old Excel can work wonders. And if you're into dashboards, Power BI and Tableau can give you visually rich insights at a glance. Which of these tools do you use and which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. Number five, we have the metrics and KPIs in cost engineering. Metrics are like the heartbeat of cost engineering. Two critical ones are the Cost Performance Index or CPI and Schedule Performance Index or SPI. Cost Performance Index tells you if you're spending more or less than planned. It's obtained by dividing the earned value on the actual cost. A CPI of 1 is perfect, above means you're saving money, and below 1 means the trouble is brewing. For the Schedule Performance Index, it measures if you're on schedule or not. If this index is smaller than 1, it will mean that you're behind the schedule. If it's above 1, it means that you're ahead of schedule. And if it's 1, it means that you're going perfectly up to the plan. Understanding these numbers is key to keeping stakeholders informed and happy. Now, let's come and discuss what is the role of a cost engineer. A cost engineer wears many hats. They estimate costs, set budgets, track expenses, and even forecast future costs. They work closely with project managers, planners, and procurement teams to ensure every penny is well spent. Cost engineering isn't without its challenges. Inaccurate estimates, scope changes, and unexpected risks can all throw a project off course. But with proper planning, regular reviews, and contingency budgets, these challenges can be managed effectively. For some real-life examples and applications of cost engineering, let's take the Burj Khalifa, for instance. It's a marvel of engineering and, of course, cost engineering. From material procurement to labor costs, everything had to be meticulously planned and tracked. And then there were failures, like projects that ran billions over budget. These serve as lessons on why cost engineering is non-negotiable. So that's cost engineering in a nutshell, from estimation to control. It's a discipline that ensures project runs smoothly and stay financially sound. And this brings us to the end of our video today. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, following us on Instagram and LinkedIn for more useful project management, data analysis, and civil engineering tips and insights. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.